Are you having a problem with your iPhone where it isn't responding to the screen and you can't turn it off in the usual way? No need to panic. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to turn off any iPhone using only physical buttons, without needing to touch the screen. If you want to learn this useful skill, follow the next steps and solve the problem in no time. So, at the very beginning, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, be sure to do so, because this way you won't miss any helpful videos. Now, let's get into the step-by-step guide for turning off your iPhone without touching the screen. First, what you need to do is press the volume up button, then immediately after that, press the volume down button, and then press and hold the power button located on the right side of the screen. Keep in mind that you need to do this quickly. So, once again, first press volume up, then volume down, and finally press and hold the power button. Don't let go of the power button until the Apple logo appears on the screen. You should hold the power button for about 10 seconds. Once the Apple logo appears, let go of the button and wait for your phone to turn on. And that's it. That's how you can turn off any iPhone without using the touch screen. If this trick was helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.